Hello everybody, it's me Viking George, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record Minecraft in Linux. However, this is going to be for the Flatpak version. I'm currently using OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. I'm really amazed, it's actually very nice here. I liked it and I pretty much decided to even present it at school the next month, so yeah. This is the real deal, guys. If you want a good distro for either beginners or professionals, this is your place. Tumbleweed is rolling, so it's for more advanced users, and I suggest you to try a leap if you're a new user. All right. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm going to minimize my Discord. A lot of applications going on here. Yeah, also I have put my resource packs. It's in the home.var app com.mojang.Minecraft /.minecraft /resource packs folder. This is where you hold your resource packs. I decided to use Apex Scrub because the rest realistic packs I tried were too heavy. This should be okay. And I can just click this and remove the hidden folders. All right. I'm gonna keep both of them because you never know what happens. Okay, so first of all, we have to open up Minecraft. And we have to start it up. First of all, for the sake of this video, I will launch options. I could actually go on a newer version. Yeah, let's say this. I like trying to name these. I'm gonna give it actually 8, just in case, because Minecraft is very, very RAM greedy. Click on this and click on play. It's going to download the jar. It's going to be fast. There we go. Now you will see that it's going to be recorded, right? Because I'm using my tool to record the display. However, if you want to record only the window, let's make a new window. All right, let's open this up like this. All right, let's go to our OBS. And let's say, yeah, it's going to be able to, it's going to have to find it, Minecraft, but yeah. So for me, it records. However, let's go back to the tutorial start. We go on the window capture, make source visible, click OK, and I'll click on Minecraft. You're not going to see anything. As you can see, it's empty. However, there is a fix for that. Scroll down. You can even hide your cursor if you want. Minecraft hides it automatically, so I don't really care. So first of all, click on use alpha-less texture format, which is the mesa workaround. It's going to show me black screen because Minecraft is closed. However, if I move it like this, you can see it. Now, because the colors are weird, swap red and blue. And now Minecraft looks pretty okay. It's just use alpha-less texture format and then you just swap red and blue. And Minecraft uses the standard colors. When you click OK, you can just record the game. Like, I can open it. If I resize it, it's going to get resized in OBS as well. I will just drag it like this. If I go on full screen, which is F11 by the way, it also goes full screen in OBS, as you can see. I can even switch here and I still see it. It's full screen. That's how I record Minecraft full screen in OBS. Basically, this full screen method would work with any application that you have problems to record otherwise. This is the only way to do it in Linux. However, If you are using Windows and you have problems with some applications, your best bet is to check whether you're using integrated graphics for your program or your NVIDIA. If you're using your dedicated GPUs, please switch to Intel and make it record the application that uses your other GPU because it's on your display and you're using NVIDIA Optimus. That's the problem. All right. So in this case, because it's a Flatpak version, I suppose it's not going to happen in the normal one. But even if it does, this is the way to record it. All right, everybody. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. Please make sure to ask questions in the comments down below, and you can also request gameplay, tutorials, and everything, etc., etc. All right, guys. See you next time. Peace out.